will TradersPost allow Forex trading in the future? Especially since crypto is there. Some of those people really cross over. They like both the currency pairs for Forex and for the crypto space. Is that on the roadmap?
I think, yeah. I mean, it's when I set out to build TradersPost, I kind of had all the asset classes listed on the website from day one, even though I only had stocks. So, my long term plan was to always have all of the asset classes, and then Forex is the last one. So, to kind of complete that mission, I think we kind of have to do it. That's like my personal desire to just like finish what I started. But I think from a customer perspective, we're definitely getting. Mike actually pinged me yesterday about more and more people asking for Forex. And we do have some Forex brokers on our wait list, and I think Forex.com is the top one that has.
Probably Tasty FX as well.
Yeah. So I think yeah, it's just a matter of when. Maybe beginning of next year, end of this year, maybe we could start some work on it.
I think so. Yeah, I know it's been sort of the one untouched thing, and we've had Cam on a nice extended vacation for the last 10 days. He's back today, but I took over support for him while he was gone, and I think I had like 4 emails asking about Forex that whole time. So we know the demand is there. We are working to prioritize it.
Yeah, and correct me if I'm wrong with it. I think Forex is more popular outside of the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
It's less regulated. Uh, People use Forex for copy trading because it's less regulated and there are less rules. So I
You get
think,
leverage.
and it's leverage, and I think that's why people are attracted to it. So
Right.
for a platform like TradersPost that does have the capabilities to execute trades across multiple brokerage accounts, Forex would be a perfect asset class.
Mm-hmm.
I remember when I started trading, I've traded every asset class except Forex because when I started, that was the first thing that I saw on YouTube and all the different things. And I knew that I didn't even know where money came from or what money was. So I go, how about I just go to stocks because I don't even understand what this pair is even talking about.
It's funny. My old boss, he has a big office in Mexico, and he would buy a bunch of pesos and like kind of play the spread between the currencies.
Mm.
And it's crazy, man. He would like get huge discounts on his payroll because he's paying payroll down in the peso, and he would like buy pesos ahead of time. And just funny how like he's a forex trader without like being a forex trader, kind of.
Right.
Yeah. FX, I mean, there's entire divisions for that at larger global companies where they're managing the Forex exchange and how that shows up on the books as well. That's definitely a game that global corporations have to constantly play. So
It's in Canada where I am. If for companies and for individuals, if you can hold some of your cash, you get paid in some of your cash in US dollars, and then you save that because they're always doing these crazy things with the Canadian dollar. You're almost like happy when when something goes when the Canadian dollar tanks because you're like, great, I'm getting an extra 10% off my US dollars, and you just convert that over and you get a nice little bonus.
yep.
So we're a little
So
FX people over here.
do you hold USD in like a traditional bank, or how do you hold USD?
Both. I hold USD and USDT. I hold as much US currency as I need. I only convert to Canadian when I need to buy something.
But like, do you hold it in like traditional Canadian banks, or where do you hold it? The USD.
Yeah, so I have a bank account in my Canadian bank that holds American dollars, and then also keep it in PayPal, and then also in crypto.
Because like that's
Yeah.
not. I don't think that's a thing in the U.S. Like I can't hold other currencies in my bank. It's
No, because there's no more powerful currency than the one we have. So we're not used to that concept.
Yeah.
But other countries are like, you guys aren't playing the Forex game? No, we don't
right.
even understand the Forex game here in America.
Yeah, I had a friend here visiting from Germany last week, and that was something we talked about. How like he gets paid in USD, but he lives in Germany, and there were several jokes about that like didn't land for me because I was like, that's just not a thing I think about. But apparently, it came up like several times, and I was like, oh, okay, I get it.
Very rarely I'll have a client try to be sly with me and pay me in Canadian dollars. I'd be like, excuse me, we said this is the amount we agreed upon in US dollars, but you're in Canada in US dollars. Thank you very much.